1 Minute English.
In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some different meanings for get along. Get along means to have a friendly relationship. Get along can be used with family members, co-workers, neighbors, and not just people, but also things like companies or countries. For example, the students get along. They help each other with their homework. The office workers don't get along. They're always arguing. Get along also means to make progress. For example, how are you getting along with the project?
Good. I've almost finished.
My son is getting along fine with his guitar lessons. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using get along and leave it in the comments below.